2, 1. Stop. That's going to be the time to do.
This is a unit that we do at the beginning of the school year to remind kids about critical thinking skills and how to control scientific variables. That's one piece. Each group is asked the same question. What single design feature do you think is most responsible for hang times in rockets? And so each group tests a different variable. So at the end of this, we have this mass of data which the kids then have to analyze, which is the really difficult piece. So we're looking at bulk data, looking for trends and patterns in the data so that they can come up with a claim, and then they have to do a written justification based on evidence to produce a rocket that is superior than the best of the best rockets in the group. So they love it, it's fun, we're outside a lot, and it really aligns well with the next generation science standards, which has a huge engineering and design component that historically we haven't paid much attention to.
3, 2, 1. I think we might have our answer, right?
2.92.
The biggest aha thing, and it's a difficult thing for me to let happen, is you have to let them build these rockets as a group, and they all build 4 completely different rockets, and you have to let that happen, and you lose 2 or 3 days, and then you have to go, okay, what are you trying to screen for? And they'll say fin number, and I'm like, well, everything about all of these rockets is different. And then they realize that they have to control for this one variable, so their rockets are identical except for this one variable. And it's torturous. You have to let this happen for 2 days, but if you fix it for them, they don't get that. So we take 2 or 3 weeks to do it, and I think it's just time well spent in the beginning of the school year myself.